How to create a link for photos in Google Drive. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create a link for photos in Google Drive. So let's just get started with the video. So for that, it is a very easy method you can apply up. You can directly head over to the Drive, and first of all, you can go ahead and upload up an image for yourself that you want to share the link to. For example, I want to upload this picture. So once the image is uploaded in your Drive, you can just go ahead and click on the three dot right beside the image. When you head over to the image, you can find it. So all you need to do is click on it, and when you head over there, you will be finding different options available. Go ahead and look at this option called Share and head over to Share, or you can also copy the link. So all you need to do is tap on the Share icon, and once that is done, you just need to type in the email address of the people that you want to share it to right here. After that, you can give access as well, anyone with link, or you can also directly copy the link and share it from here and click on done. After that, and that is it. So creating a link is very easy. It automatically creates it. All you need to do is just share it. So that is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.